Welcome to Estimation Pro Job Tracker. Today let's take a look at the integration between Estimation Pro and QuickBooks. Now we've already created an account and a contracted job in Estimation Pro. And let's take a look at that. Going down should be the very last one, Bob Burton. And we've created Bob as a customer in QuickBooks and the contracted job as a QuickBooks job underneath that customer over in QuickBooks. So let's go over why that's filling out. Let's go over and take a look. And you can see here's Bob Burton as a customer, and underneath that is a job. Now let's apply invoices to this contracted job over in Estimation Pro. And so here's a contracted job itself. You can see the amount is $14,500. Now let's take a look at the job amounts, the stages. We have currently two stages, roof and siding. Roof is a retail for $5,000. Siding is a RCV for $6,000. And there's our total $14,500. So let's click on the sync button, which will allow us to bring this over and move our way down. I think we fill these out. And there's our sync. Let's click on that. And now we're just going to pick up the job name here. Now let's go to our integration and let's log in. And you can see at the very top here we have scheduled transaction flows. Now for example this flow right here, interval is 180,000 milliseconds, 60,000 milliseconds to a minute. That's every 3 minutes. So if this was running, it would just bring over automatically every 3 minutes. But for expediency's sake, I'm going to run this job right here, a utility transaction, which is a one-off. So here's an invoice. Let's put our information in there. Submit, and let's start the job. Now let's go over to QuickBooks and see, this is our iBiz connector, so you can see we have some action here, and this will be filling out. So I'm just going to put this on hold for a minute as these fill out, and the information is being taken from Estimation Pro and being brought over and creating invoices in QuickBooks. Okay, we're back, and we can see we have now two invoices underneath Bob Burton. Let's click on the first one here. And you can see we have the sections and staging for a total of 6680, and the second one 7820, and there's our combined 14.5. So looking over here, there we are, and that is the integration with Estimation Pro. Thank you.